It's a perfect situation to make musical sounds.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to Fabric Friday. I'm doing another one of those cushion covers. Same fabrics apart from I'm adding in this darker blue. Give it a nice accent. And I can try to with other things. And so basically I've done a different embroidery design. Cut it to 6.5 inches. And then I've just snowballed the corner with 2.5 inch squares. I have 8 2.5 inch squares of the white, the background, and I have made 8 half square triangles and cut them to 2.5 inches. I will be going around it with a small green border. Then I may do the patterns and then do white. I'll see when I get there. So I'm just going to, at the moment, sew this lot up. So I've now sewn it together and put the green strip around it, but obviously it's smaller than I want, because that's the size I want. So I'm wondering whether to put a white band around it, then another green, and then we'll see. I think I might do that. Strips of white around it, because that's just showing me roughly what it's going to look like. Yeah, strip of white, another green, and then the flowery green. Teal, whatever. I'll show you when I've decided and finished. And here is the next one done. Slightly smaller than the first, but I'll either cut the first one down to this or add something to make it a bit larger, whichever I do, but I think I prefer this size, so I might even make the first one into a table topper and do another complete one. There's the second one and there's the first one. I prefer that one. That one's nice, but I think I prefer that one because it's got a bit extra in it. Which do you like best? Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect